when the new generation comes and says that, okay, what is in there for me? Where will the direction be? How is it going to take for me to reach to the level where people have reached at certain stage? I have a different thought for it. What I feel that, maybe it took me to become a group president or a CEO. It took me, I mean, say 25 odd years to become. So where with the help of technology, with the help of ease, you can sitting in a laptop when you can have the information. Today internet has got almost every information. You just need to ask. You just need to open a phone. You don't even need to type. You can just speak and say that what is it that you want to know, and you will get the whole lot of information flowing from top to bottom. So when you have the ease, so what I feel is that, it took me 25 years to become a CEO. People of this generation should not take more than, say, 12-15 years to the max. How you are exposed to, and what kind of companies that you enter, and what kind of mentorship that you get. Today what happens is that, in today's time, what we do is that when we get the people who are freshly passed out from the company, from the B schools, reputed B schools of the country, what we do is that we take them on board and then we mentor them. How we mentor them? We share the responsibilities. We share their a platter in such a way that they are the performer, and we are walking along with them, which makes them feel more comfortable. And then they feel that, okay, even if somebody is making a mistake, then somebody is there to handhold me and take us to that level. So today the mentorship has taken a different leap. Earlier, manager used to leave everything upon the staff. Today it is not that. Today's managers are in a true sense leader. They walk along with you and then they tell you what needs to be done. I am associated with almost 6 to 8 companies at this point in time, mentoring them on procedures, policies, business development, some brand alliances. There are different format of things that I have been that I have been mentoring at a different level. There are companies who come and say that, okay, we have got a different kind of infrastructure, but we need to consolidate and then make it in a more professional atmosphere, where where the company focuses on their core business and all the ancillaries business are taken care by. So what are the strategies that need to be done? So earlier it used to be just sales and marketing. You create a product, you produce a product, and then you go out in the market and then you sell. Today it is not that. There are beyond sales and marketing. Business development has its own dynamics. The programming of each and everything. Today you see, earlier it used to be just Doordarshan, where we used to see what is happening and the information used to flow. Today there are so many TV channels. The programming is becoming such an booming, aspirational, career for people, where people go, and then the programming is becoming so important. Secondly, the data analysis is becoming so important. Today when students join, it is not that acha mujhe engineer banna hai, I have to become an engineer, or I have to become I have to become a doctor, I have to become a lawyer. It is not. You pick up any subject today, the subject has so many diversification and so many dynamics that you get to do so many things in that field itself. So now coming back to this multi-dimensional business factor, today the most important thing that I have seen and that I have been mentoring people is that don't just focus in one just area. You have to become a multitasking. So while studying, that you take up one or two, you convert your hobby into professional aspect. You convert your while you are doing one thing, you have to do multiple things. Why? Because today manpower cost is becoming, what happens whenever there is a recession, whenever there is a pandemic, the first thing that happens is that people feel that, oh, I have lot many people, so I will want to have multitasking people who could come on board and share the responsibility. While doing that, people need to look at things at a 360-degree. I just don't need to look at things only that, okay, I am the specialist of so and so thing, and I need to have the horizon which is equivalent to that arena. but I need to have multitasking thing. I am able to carry out multi-dimensional functions, which is going to be helpful not only for one own growth, but one for the organization itself, where you can where you have 80 90 people to carry out certain amount of assignment to an organization. So if you have diversified concept, then the same team can take over the another responsibility and then do the sales, because at the end of the day, business development, sales, marketing, operations are more or less a same thing. So the same professional can run cinema exhibitions business, the same professional can learn a QSR restaurant, the same professionals can do a hotel business as well. So while having said that, rather than having a different teams, if there is a set of multitasking people on board, it will be much better for people to have them on board and take them to the different level.